As parents, everyone wants to make sure that their kids not only look their best but that their clothes are comfortable as well. In today's world of appearances, it is not just an advantage but a necessity to look and feel your best. That applies to your children as well, with the added responsibility of their comfort and health. Children's clothing is of profound importance to their health and well-being. The children of today are exposed to a world where fashion and style play big roles. Every child wants to be a part of his/her peer group. Here, the child's clothing and apparel are an important part of their overall sense of belonging. Your child needs to be unique and yet a part of his circle of friends. Children's clothes range from night clothing to casual everyday wear. What is important at all times is that the clothes a child wears are not detrimental to the child's health in any way. Children's clothing cover a wide range and every parent's choice is specific to the child's needs and wants. Clothes are made from a wide variety of materials that are blended and changed to provide easy usage. It is important for every parent to ensure that the clothes that the child is wearing would not cause any discomfort or long-term health disorders of any kind. Children's clothing includes accessories, inner clothing, nightwear, play clothes, costumes, formal wear. The list goes on. Any parent should opt for natural fabrics like cotton and wool for everyday wear. Artificial fabrics can sometimes cause skin irritation and other disorders. For everyday use, including night clothing and playtime apparel, natural fabrics for children's clothing is the most comfortable and safest way of ensuring that your child is comfortable and healthy. Attractive children's clothing for occasions and special activities is a must for any child. Bright and lively colors bring out the best in a child. Animated characters on clothes and accessories make dressing up fun for children. Smart suits for boys and pretty dresses for girls are every parent's first choice. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.